Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are not a subscriber already, I suggest that you subscribe because we do have videos every Monday and I promise you don't want to miss out. I'm stepping my content game up and being very consistent, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button and I'll wait. All right, you guys should have subscribed already. If you haven't, you can tell by the title of got stuff on my wall. We can't be having that. Y'all, we about to resituate because tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be showing you eyebrow routine. This is just how I do my eyebrows every single morning. So I'm going to just go step by step and show you guys a quick little tutorial on how I get my eyebrows on fleek, as they young kids say nowadays. But I did just recently get my eyebrows threaded. So yeah, y'all, let's get started. I use three things when it comes to doing my eyebrows every day. The first one is gonna be e.l.f. I like this brow cream. It's super affordable at any of your stores, Walgreens, a convenience store probably. And then I also have an e.l.f. angled brush. It's gonna be like the applicating brush on one side, and then the other side's gonna be the brush that you can like shape up your eyebrows. So yeah, what I like to do is I like get this a little bit damp. And then also, you guys are probably wondering why I have edge control. So I am, let's see if it'll focus. Yeah, I use edge control gel for my eyebrows. Woo! That is probably one of the secrets that I use because I do have curly eyebrows. So if you guys got curly eyebrows, I promise you want to get this. It just keeps it slicked down and it keeps my eyebrows looking good all day, but it also helps with when I put the cream on. It helps just to put the application on a little bit smoother. So I'm going to start with this. What I like to do is I like to get a little bit on my hand and then I will rub it in just a dab. And then I just barely brush this over my eyebrows because I don't want too much. So this is just very useful. You can use it on your edges and you can use it on your brows. You can use it on your eyelashes before you put on an application if you want to curl them. It just holds and gives it a molding to it. So then I'm gonna go in with my brush. It does have some makeup on it, but y'all know how it is. So you just want to brush it the way that you want it to go. And I like my brows to have just a tad bit of an arch. By the way, y'all, I just started getting my eyebrows threaded because before I used to get it waxed, but since with my sensitive skin and how I break out, I was realizing that every time I got it waxed, I would break out like all through here until I realized that it was the wax. So literally when I would get a wax, they would wax it and I would have hydrocortisone cream in my purse ready to go to put that application on my eyebrows right after they got waxed because I already knew they were about to get irritated. And then someone was like, you need to just get them threaded, which mind you, I've had them threaded before at the mall and that hurt. But I found a girl out here that just, she doesn't make it, it hurts. I'm not gonna lie, it does feel a little painful, but she just makes it like quicker and not as painful as, because when I was at the mall, I literally could not, I didn't let them finish one brow. So they were like, oh my God, we need to finish your brow or you're gonna walk out and it's gonna be uneven. And I was like, girl, I do not care. Do not care. I will go out here with just one brow because it was not about to happen. It really hurt, but this lady I found, like, it doesn't hurt that bad. Like, I still go back to her. I even just recently went to her after not going for 4 months and it didn't even hurt that bad. I don't break out as bad from threading either. But so what you want to do is I start at the base. Y'all, this is almost gone. This is how much I use it, but it lasts so long too. But you just want to start at the base and I basically follow it and then draw it as to how long I want it. The way I judge this is by putting this from like my lip to right here. It should end there. So if you can tell, my ends of my eyebrows, they just don't grow as fast as everything else. So And then y'all, I'm gonna follow this. Connect those bad boys right there. And then I'm gonna go through, and when I go back through, I keep my brush. I don't know if it'll focus for y'all. So the brush is angled, but I'll keep it upside down to give it those brush strokes, like right here. And through here, just to make it look a little bit more natural. So we got one brow done, y'all. Y'all can leave it like this and go on out. I ain't gonna judge you. I will not judge y'all. I would suggest that you get the other one done though. So then we're gonna do this one as well. So like I said, this is just easier if you do already have your brows done, because it makes the lining up process better. Honestly, I wasn't good at art class and staying in the lines, so if my brows aren't freshly done, then I have a real hard time of staying in the lines with my brows. So they probably look like check marks sometimes, who knows? So same thing. And then I'm just gonna upside down again. And you don't want to do these brush strokes too hard, because you just want it to enhance what you already have right here. Okay. And y'all, if you do get outside the line, there's always concealer that you can use. I can never get my eyebrows to look like sisters. They just always want to come out looking like distant cousins, because I don't know why, but one eyebrow always has a better arch than the other one. So it's really the best it's gonna get. Sometimes this eyebrow just does better than this one, and they just switch off on days. But for my concealer that I like to use is just by L.A Girl, and super affordable as well. I get it from Walgreens, CVS, and I'll just go in. So like, say that you made your lines a little too thick, you can just go in with this. And I don't put a lot because I don't like that concealer type of look underneath my eyebrows. I just like, I'm a very like natural look for makeup. This also works too, y'all. Your eyebrows aren't done. I used to use this to actually like hide my hairs that weren't done. So you definitely can do that too. And then some people also only use this to highlight underneath their eyebrows, but not me. I like to use it to clean up my eyebrows. So that'll give it like more of an arch. So you can see my eyebrows do what they want, but I'm glad y'all understand the concept that I'm going for. So sometimes I'll keep it like this too, and kind of see what I need to go back in and fix. I'm just convinced that they do what they want, because I mean, look at this one, y'all. Perfect. You got that arch, and then this one just and you also gotta be careful when you do wipe off the concealer, because you could end up wiping off your lines. So y'all, that's as good as it's gonna get, to be honest. All right, y'all, so that brings us to the end of this video. It was a very quick eyebrow tutorial, and I hope you guys really liked it. I'm happy with the way that they came out, and I hope that you guys are able to do this. It's super simple, super easy, and anybody, beginner to advanced, you all can do this brow routine on your own eyebrows. And I mean, if you don't have any edge control, you can always use some type of gel, but it just helps to keep them straight and keep them flawless. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I will see you on the next video.